Xishuangbanna is one of the most popular tourist destinations in China's southwest. The culture and traditions of the local ethnic groups are a major attraction, as is the beautiful natural scenery. But Xishuangbanna is also a region with some hidden dangers, as well as some little-known treasures.
Xishuangbanna, lying south of the Tropic of Cancer, is known as a place of dense forests and a humid climate. In other words, it's a breeding ground for tropical diseases. Worse still, those who venture into the forest run the risk of being attacked by wild animals or poisonous insects, or being plagued by rheumatism. On the other hand, Xishuangbanna, with its rich natural resources, is a treasure trove of natural herbal medicines. The local Dai people have gradually understood the properties of many of these herbs and how they can be used to cure a disease. Dr. Ai is heading for Jiegou, a place that is abundant in natural herbs. Jiegou lies in a ravine beside a river in Mengla County. Jiegou is covered with dense forests and crystal-clear streams. A path up the mountain leads into thicker vegetation and increasingly more humid surroundings. The team, led by Dr. Ai, is on a mission to collect the medicinal herbs used by the Dai people and study their methods of preparing them. Before they head for the mountain, Dr. Ai first takes the team to pray. Dai people, before they go to gather herbs, always pray to the mountain god to help them find the most efficacious herbs. Before the team sets out, they all put on special socks, designed to protect them from the leeches that thrive in Jiegou's tropical climate. Dr. Ai is very experienced in picking herbs. He knows that Jiegou, deep in the mountain valley, is one of the best places for finding medicinal plants. The team passes several fallen trees. They're beginning to notice significant changes in the landscape. The tree branches blot out the sky and cover the sun. The sounds of the birds and animals are carried to them on the wind. And everywhere, they're surrounded by plants. Dr. Ai explains that the Dai people have a special antidote. Dai medical theory dictates that this antidote should be taken before the symptoms of the illness become evident and before any other treatment is prescribed. All ethnic Dai doctors carry this antidote with them at all times. The herbs that grow in Jiegou are all said to be effective as antidotes, which is one reason why the area's reputation has spread far and wide. After a short break, the team continued their fact-finding tour. Their hope of discovering something interesting is soon realized. Dr. Ai digs up only 2 of the 3 plants. It's a rule taught him long ago by his own teacher. The going gets tougher for the team the higher they go up the mountain. Dr. Hai calls out suddenly. He's discovered something. The plant appears quite innocuous. However, the evident acceleration of some of the team members is evidence that it is quite unusual. Dr. Hai cuts only part of the plant. In Xishuangbanna, the Dai doctors are wise people who understand the importance of the rule that part of the medicinal plant should always be left uncut, no matter how valuable it is.